Assalamualaikum. This is Amirul Mominul and I am passionate about technology, innovation and problem solving. I am currently a third year student of software engineering at Daffodil International University. I am continuously striving to expand my knowledge and expertise in the tech world. My academic journey started at Lighthouse Lab School and College, Jamalpur, where I completed my SSC in 2020 with GPA 4.5 and pursued my HSC at Melanda Gopt College in 2022 with GPA 4. The experiences have shaped my passion for learning and my dedication to excellence. Over the last 2 years, I have developed strong programming and development skills in HTML, CSS, Java, Python and C++. Alongside coding, I have built expertise in problem solving and logical thinking, software development and object-oriented programming, IoT and embedded system, database management and system analysis. Apart from technical skill, I have owned also essential soft skills, including teamwork, leadership, presentation, and effective collaboration. During my academic journey, I have worked on multiple real-world projects, including house rent management system. This is user-friendly and essential for students. Blood bank management system. It is designed in my system analysis and design course. Beyond projects, I have also won multiple awards in different Olympiads. When I am not coding, I love immersing myself in books. I prefer non-academic books, especially science fiction and Islamic literature. Reading helps me expand my imagination and gain new perspectives. Looking ahead, my short-term goal is to become a data scientist, where I can leverage my analytical and programming skills to solve the real-world problem. In the long run, I aspire to be an entrepreneur. Thank you for taking time to learn about me. I am always open to new opportunities, collaboration, and learning experiences. If you had like to connect, feel free to reach out. I look forward to an exciting future ahead.